What it do, Lio? Good morning. Morning, Anas. Let me post the link on Instagram. All right, insane stop loss. Let's go. Yeah, we took a freaking entry on GJ while it was at the support level, basically melted, and bro, so close to getting stopped out, but we didn't. We are currently still in this position now. I think we're in a very bad position due to the fact that this hourly closed with a wick to the downside. For those who are in this trade, I mean, at this point, with price being where it is, it's either when it comes back to break even, we close out a break even, or we ride it all the way to take profit. But up to the moment, it might have to be a break even, because this hourly, if you guys see what I'm seeing, this hourly candlestick has two big wicks, and it really just looks like we're forming lower levels of resistance, and we're getting ready to flip from bullish to bearish and then just start melting out. I mean, this is the second fucking day in a row where I'm just so close to getting to take profit. I mean, if we go and zoom back to yesterday's trade, took an entry, yeah, we retrace, got ourselves stopped out for price to then just recover and then start flying. And so, I mean, I'm still pretty bullish on this GJ, and so that's why I'm currently in this long. I called it out on the Discord. This won't be the only trade of the day if you guys are just joining. If we win this trade or lose this trade, we're going to keep on looking around for another trade. Gold melting. Yeah, who knows? I'm just going to keep my eyes on GJ for now. We barely hear you. Lyle, do you barely hear me? Yeah, what, brother? Yeah, you don't hear me, or yeah, you do hear me? So it's like ASMR. So you do hear me. I raised up the volume a little bit as well. And turned on the music. Let me send out the link. And from there I'm set. All right, done sending the link through there. Discord. I think Anas already spammed the link. Yeah, he did. Nice. Good job, Anas. Good job, Anas. We're about to hit TP. TP's at 900. Wait, what is TP at? I'm so fucking confused. Where's my entry? 900. Stop loss at 600. Did I type in my TP wrong? Entry 188 900. Yeah, this is supposed to be. Did I send that? I have my stop loss at 600, not 500. Where do you guys have the stop loss? Oh wow, I sent it to you guys at 500. Entry, stop loss, 40 pips. Take profit, 40 pips. I'm so confused. Is this set wrong? Boom. I did have it at 500. Oh wow. I thought I had it at 300. That's why I said I thought I was about to get clapped. That's why I said I thought I was about to get clapped. Echo. Oh yeah, there is an echo. Wow, what a way to not get stopped out. Yeah, the trade's looking good. Did I take this on Slickest account? Yes, I did. We actually took this on the new account, Slickest. I know you don't even check, but for the update, this is on the new account. So, matter of fact, new account's straight at the profit. The fuck? Bro, what's been happening lately? So confused. I'm super confused, bro. I'm now looking at, dude, I took this position 2.3 lot. I mean, I'm at entry, bro. That makes no sense. That makes no sense. 188, 600. I'll put the 600 stop loss, 2.3. Like, I'm at my goddamn entry. How does that make any sense? Yeah, bro, but I entered way before the like, dude, think about it. I entered while candlesticks were falling. Like, I'm telling you, my entry should be like down here. I'm so fucking confused. Match Trader has been weird lately. I also have a trade on somebody's account that I risked $900, one lot, 9 pips. And it shows that I risked, like, it shows the loss. It shows the commission only being $20, so it should be $920, but it shows like $1,020. And I'm like literally like recalculating like the stop loss and making sure that I have it correct. And it says $1,000 loss, and I'm like, how is this $1,000 loss if I manually input minus 900, as in like minus 900 is my stop loss, as in minus $900. Here I have an entry all the way at 165. How would I have an entry here if price wasn't even at this point when I hopped in this trade? Like, we were in fucking on the falling candlestick and it kept on falling. Why is my entry so late? Just so confused. I'm so confused. I don't got any idea what just happened. Well, for the sake of it, take profit. It has not been an official take profit yet. Oh my god, gold is dying. Imagine the maniacs trying to go for gold buys right now, like the little bounce. Sheesh. Those guys are getting clapped. GU, Rocket. NASDAQ. The NASDAQ is getting ready for its takeoff. This move right here faked out a couple of our well, this is the trade that we took yesterday. It's a loss. This long right here, this was during Asian session. This faked out a lot of people on the chat. I saw on Discord, a lot of people were going short for this. And I was kind of surprised. I was like, bro, don't you guys ever see me just go long on these continuation candles? It's kind of the reason that we're in this whole setup, matter of fact, just because it looks like everything's just as bullish on GJ, even though we're getting some weird ass retracements randomly. Did I hit 300 yet? No. Does this still count as a one trade, chat? Bro, nobody likes Match Trader. Yeah, nobody does like Match Trader. Why am I being called? All right, don't go anywhere. The stream just started, chat. Stream just started, so don't go anywhere. 1 second. Okay. Damn it. All right. Looking at the 4-hour candlestick chart, I mean, what are the chances that we start trading beneath? I mean, it's still a possibility. Chances look pretty low, but definitely there's still a possibility we flip from bullish to bearish. 4-hour candlestick has about 3 hours left in it. So honestly, anything can happen. This is a baby candlestick. It just barely was born. A lot left on the table. I'm going to erase everything from the chart so we have some clear looks at what we're looking at right now. This is the daily candlestick chart on GJ. This is how the daily candlestick chart looks. Therefore, I mean, we do have bullish, 3 bullish candlesticks. I mean, but obviously there's wicks to both sides. I mean, well, majority to the downside. That bearish momentum to the downside, wicks to the downside. I mean, at any point, we really can just flip bearish and start this melt out. So I want everybody to keep their eyes on this support level right here. I mean, this support level right here, I'm going to throw an alert. This support level right here means that we, you know, get ready for that big short move. I mean, if we come down to this support level, I don't think it's going to be an upside down head and shoulders. Shoulder, head, shoulder. I don't think that would be the play. I think that if this comes down to the support level, I mean, we're going to end up wick filling this and this, and we're most likely going to come down and touch this. So, thankfully, we are not currently in the sell. Nonetheless, we're in the buy, right? Stop, start, break even. We're considering this a winning trade already. I'm obviously still holding, but take profit basically hit. Okay, so matter of fact, come on, keep pumping. Whew. Where's Xander at? I'm actually not sure. Not sure where Lyle is. Oh wait, Lyle's here. Not sure where a couple people are. All right, NASDAQ sell. What? Why? Like that like you think that this pump is the fake out and then we're just going to end up being like a, I don't know. Not a big fan of that trade right there. I'm not scared of trying a gold long. Gold doesn't look bullish at all, but definitely whenever gold retraces, it's not bad to look for a bullish setup, especially when we know that market's been rallying the way it's been rallying. German 40. Yeah, this looks a lot better than this. Looks like it's recovering for sure. German 40. I mean, currently, right now, currently we're in GJ. Looking at how it's moving, I mean, we got the perfect entry. Our stop loss really held well. Due to the fact that the market's been moving the way it's moving, I keep on saying that it's not out the possibilities of that GJ melts, right? Like, it's still a possibility that we come all the way down and melt. So we got to be on our toes right now. We can't just get distracted. Now I'm gonna keep on holding my trade just in case that we end up just with the bullish momentum, and I want to capitalize as much on this long position as possible. Really just gonna come down to probabilities. I'm gonna need the probabilities to be in my favor for me to just keep on riding this trade right here, or it all gonna turn around right now. And I should have, at that point I'll be like, oh, I should have closed. But shoulda, coulda, woulda, didn't. At the end of the day, shouldas don't help at all. Real Right says he is in the GJ cells. Shush. What's your entry, brother? What is your entry? I'm very surprised that this hourly wick fill to the downside did not happen. I'll tell you that. I'll tell you, I'm very surprised. When I was in this trade, I thought it was all done. I said sayonara, but I held through. Why? Because I had a valid position, and that's exactly why I don't close out early trades. It's like, it's kind of like, imagine somebody told you had a destiny, and they're not going to tell you what that destiny is, because then you might ruin it, right? So therefore, every decision you take will lead you to that destiny. You start ruining your fucking destiny when you start messing with the trades, right? You set a trade, you either won or you either lost. It's already set for the future. But if you start fucking touching the trade, you're automatically giving yourself a loss, or you're automatically giving yourself a small take profit. You're automatically ruining your destiny. So stop ruining your destiny. Let destiny play out. Hop in a trade, stay in it like a man. Hop in a sell, stay in it like a man. Stop fucking wussing out of trades. Hate seeing people wussy out of trades. Especially when they're in profit. How the hell are you gonna wussy out a trade when you were in profit? You hopped into the trade when you weren't in profit, and now it's in profit. You gonna wussy out the trade? Oh boy, the sell just barely started. Oh my god, if this hourly candlestick comes all the way back to my break even and just obliterates that shit, Jesus Christ. I've been calling out the whole time, Real Right, that I see how the sell, he said 189 to 074. I was like up 30 pips, but I didn't close 4 hour, meaning the turn bearish. Damn, we went the opposite. We literally took a trade around the same level. You went downwards, fucking instant profit. I went instant drawdown. Now, I mean, 30 pips is not a lot on GJ right now, so I don't even, for example, I mean, I threw 30 pips on my own from 900 to 600. But apparently I sent to you guys as a signal from 900 to 500. So I guess in my head, I don't know whatever happened. Let me see this real quick. But I don't know. Typically, I think a stop loss should be about minimum 40 pips right now on GJ. If you're not throwing stop losses of 40 pips, I guess minimum 35. Well, it seems correct. It's 40. Honestly, 50 pip stop losses are pretty standard right now with the way volatility is. And volatility is not even that big right now. It just is the fact that this thing's bouncing a lot, right? And if you really want to get caught in the correct direction, you definitely need some space for the trade to breathe. Therefore, example explained perfectly right here. Now, this is a 30 pip stop loss. Imagine I would have gone with a 40 pip stop loss. Still would have been a little bit scary. 50 pip stop loss, I would have never been scared. I would have been fucking in Zimbabwe already. You base your stop loss on the 4 hour, bro. The sell was not a bad, I mean, you went yourself, the same logic I had yesterday with my trade, right? I hopped in it halfway to take profit, break even, almost halfway to take profit again, break even. Then I lost. Am I upset with myself about it? I think it could have been a break even, could have been preventable. I think it was a lot of people did anticipate the sells. So could I be upset with myself? Yes. Am I? Not really, due to the fact that, I mean, I threw myself into profit 2 times. So from there, I had to pretty much take that decision on taking profit, or realizing that, hey, it wasn't going to keep on going. Maybe my take profit was too far. Nonetheless, I don't feel like I was in a bad trade. I feel like it was a valid trade. Same way the sell was a valid trade. Same way this buy was a valid trade. Multiple trades could be valid in different directions. Let me use the bathroom. 1 second. I won't take long. Pink Pony Club. All right, let's go see if we can catch another trade for now. Oh, wow, gold recovered. What are you guys thinking about gold? I want to see ones in the chat. For those who are bullish on gold, And obviously 2's in the chat for those who are bearish on gold. I'm kind of bearish on gold. Both. I mean, is that the thing is, I'm looking at this trade right now, like, do I imagine this being a good setup? Not really. Could I get to take power of it really quick? Possibly. I like the sells. When do we get our next candlestick closure? 15-minute candlestick. 15-minute candlestick is going to close at resistance, so I'd be patient. No, I'm not going to close out. I'm not going to close out because of the higher time frames. I mean, we're breaking past all these little highs. I'm going all the way to 189,500. I'm going past all this. Does anybody know if Breakthrough Capital is a good prop firm? Chat. Breakthrough Capital, is it a good firm? Has anybody heard of Breakthrough Capital? All right, well, we're getting a DXY pump. Obviously, why do I say that without even looking at the DXY? We got GU retracing. GU has some pretty big retracements happening right now. I'm dying. I'm literally dying. I'm dead. I'm still dead. All right. GU. Heavy retracements. Do I expect it to keep, to keep on retracing? Bro, the second that we hit this level of support right here, which we already basically hit it, any closure of any candlesticks around here, I expect this to keep on pushing downwards. Interesting enough, because GJ is still pushing upwards. I mean, we just barely hit official take profit on GJ. I already marked that up on the screen, so we do already have the wins up on the board. Where should I gonna put the wins from here, right here, from now on? And like I said, I'm going to keep on holding. I'm going to keep on holding because 4-hour candlestick tells us that we are very, very, very bullish. Very, very bullish. And so therefore, I'm going to keep on riding it out. No point in me closing. But it, like I said, interesting enough, gold looks very bearish. Finally, a little bit of a recovery. And GJ, it's going. Wanna know what's funny? I sent a message to the Discord saying, getting clapped. And some guy sends me a message saying, getting clapped, question mark. What does that mean? That's pretty funny. I'll update the Discord right now. And the trade is going completely to shit. Oh my god, yep. It's over. That is quick. What a bad one. That is a very, 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 very bad signal. Very bad signal. Yeah, that is not good. That is crazy. GJ just... I mean, we're looking at GU and gold, and they're both melting. I don't know. The real right, some sort of fucking wizard. Some sort of wizard. I think he's probably like a couple pips in profit right now, though. Is that news? No, that was not news. No news. That was straight price action. At the Pink Pony Club. Yeah, that's the break-even signal right there. I don't break even a lot, but this is definitely one of those times you have to. That is crazy. That is crazy how quick, like I said, chat, fucking 40 pips really is nothing right now. Like 45 pips means nothing right now. Look at 4-hour structure. I mean, 4-hour structure gives me mixed vibes, honestly, because this is all bullish, bullish, continuation, bullish, continuation, bullish, bullish, continuation, continuation, continuation. I mean, that's where I was going up here. This is mixed feelings. Still above the 8 SMA, nonetheless. Now is where I'm feeling this is an SMA fake out. Why? Because we're respecting the 8 SMA, but it looks like at any moment we're just going to disrespect it. So it's like a bunch of people are taking buys because we're above the 8 SMA. This thing's wilding out. Well, Slickest, I have not closed on you, by the way, brother. So, those who I am trading their live accounts right now, you're lucky I'm not a rapid firer, because we are still in this bitch. I don't know what's happening. What the fuck is this? Yo, you know how many people that fucked over right there? Probably a lot. Probably a lot. Fuck was that? Oh boy, if this comes all the way back down again. This comes all the way back down again and we're going all in cells. That is crazy. Has GU had the bounce? No, GU's going bullish a little bit. Gold as well. Nasdaq as well. Oh, damn. Anas earlier called out Nasdaq sell. Bro, tú dijiste eso. That was crazy, chat. We were just barely smash take profit one, melted 40 pips out to break even, and now we are still, I mean, we're alive in this trade. Nonetheless, market is starting to get volatile. Hopefully. Definitely it's been a rangy session. Asian session was full of ranges as well. And, I mean, up to the moment, we're going to soon, oh my God, look at gold's 30-minute candlestick. This is a, I thought we just opened a 30-minute. Now this is still fresh. This melted and then flew. Wow, that is crazy. Wow, congratulations to those in the gold longs, and GU is leaving a huge wick to the downside. All right, so I'm still kind of bearish on, I mean, I'm not bearish. I'm in a bullish buy, of course. A little bit skeptical about my buy right now because GU is leaving a huge wick to the downside. I expect that wick to get filled. Believe it or not, I'm still pretty bearish on GU. Yeah, that looks like a fill. That looks like it's going to get filled to the downside. So now I'm looking at GJ and I'm like, fuck, man. This looks like it's about to come down also if it's reacting finally at the same way that GU is. So I'm going to keep my eyes on this pretty sharp. Like I said, I think next break even is for sure where I have to close. I mean, if we already melted all the way down here and rejected. So if we were to come back down, we're most likely coming down for a reason. That's probably because we want to reach lower levels. So definitely we are out this trade if this keeps on going down. So I need some volume. Push up, push up, push up, fly. Oh, no, it's coming down. Damn, what a shitty way to go out, man. Market's not been friendly. It hasn't been hard to trade. It just, I'm on the wrong, I mean, it's not that I'm on the wrong side. I'm on the correct side. I'm making bad decisions. I just really did not think that, I mean, I did. I told you guys that at any moment price could come all the way back down. I just wanted to catch more than 1%. I'm about to, I'll tell you guys when I close officially, I guess. It's coming pretty soon. Oh, you mother son of... It's fine. Four-hour wick needs to be filled. Which one? Which 4-hour wick? That's the... Damn, gold long would have been a great trade for this stream. Gold long. I would have probably taken it one of these continuation candlesticks. You still like the buys, to be honest? I liked it before it reached the support level. Like, literally before I looked at your message, I liked the buys as well. And I was like, I kind of wish I didn't close break even. And with that rejection, it's making me feel like I wish I didn't close break even. Like, there's parts of me that are telling me, why'd you close break even? Past experiences have been getting to me. That's the truth, you know? I'm not a fucking... We gotta be transparent here. Past experiences like these, like this yesterday is getting to me. So I'm like, and also my break even is like right here, currently where I'm at. This break even was like when I sent the signal. Apparently I entered later. Doesn't make sense. But if think about it, I put a stop loss on my phone at 600. If I entered really all the way at 189, oh, well, I guess that logic doesn't make sense because then that's a 40 pip stop loss. On my live, I was like, all right, 30 pips. We're all right. So what am I doing right now as a trader? Asking myself, you know, like I want to take a trade. I want to take a trade. What am I asking myself? What's going through my head? What's going through my head right now is that currently market is looking for the direction, or it currently has a direction, and I need to identify it. That a direction is either downwards or that direction is either upwards, right? We already gave our chance for upwards. Kind of played out, right? We did hit take profit. So yes, of course, as I said before, now sells look very possible. Specifically, if we're at the support level, this is telling me that we need a wick fill. This is the downside. Why am I not in this trade then? Due to the fact that I'm just not going to hop into a trade right after I just got out of one, especially when it's such an unsteady position where like volatility's in the market right now where it could go up, it could go down. It looks like it's supposed to go down. Higher probabilities for sure are down. Then we look at we look at gold and we're like, all right, what are the trades here? Can we go long? I mean, long looks like we're a little too late, which is everybody feels like they're too late. I don't think we're too late. And then shorts just means I'm going against all the momentum. Everything's just in a very unsteady position. It's like we missed, like if you weren't in the gold trade during this long, whether you were short or long, it doesn't matter. If you weren't in that trade, it's over. Not it's over, but you know, you gotta wait for the chart to reset itself. Maybe you get lucky and this starts retracing itself. Then you're like, oh, maybe I could catch the long again, or maybe it comes all the way back down to the support level and you're like, there, I could catch the sell. But impulsively hopping in right now would not be a smart idea. And if you were gonna impulsively hop in, go with the long. Of course, GG's retracing. I'm gonna keep that up there just so I know where I'm currently at. What is US30 doing? Oh, it's already flying. NASDAQ also flying. Pizza King by 1 pip what? Good morning, good morning, good morning, Samuel. It is totally fine. The update is we hopped into GJ Longs, went through some crazy drawdown, then we flew, hit take profit. After, yeah, because take profit is right there, actually. Then after that, those who closed, I actually held my trade, and then just one candlestick next fucking threw me all the way back to break even. And that's currently what it is. I currently closed at the break even, and now we're just watching it. I mean, I expect this to keep on melting. I was just having this up on my screen to just remind me of what the hell happened. Yeah, no, TP was 300. So I had it up on the board. I don't know where the trade is anymore. Oh, there it is. Then I was a successful stream. It was a successful stream. I already marked the win on our win streak thingy. Yeah, it happens. I'm just trying to see if there's any more trades to catch, really. Trying to see if there's any more opportunities for us. Sounds crazy, but I like GU longs. I like GU longs. I'm not sure why I like GU longs. Not to impulsively take right now. Our GJ buy has officially, I mean, we hit take profit. I'm the one who said I was going to hold those, but it's a take profit win trade. I closed at break even. It's officially, for me, not a happy day. I mean, it's a break even trade. I'll take those. For those who got to take the trade successfully, I mean, yes, we went through major drawdown. Stop loss wasn't at 600. It was actually at 500. So, I mean, you guys, pretty scary trade. Nonetheless, it was a successful trade. Congratulations on those in the Discord who saw it. Congratulations on those who on live stream who actually took it. US30 now. US30 is the question. Is it going to recover all the way? Oh, US30 looks like a great opportunity for sell. Even though if this candlestick flips, it's all over. But I think I'm bullish on US30. What trades are you guys in, chat? Real right. You still in the sell right now? What trades are you guys in, chat? Not posted on Discord, but I'm still banned. Jesus. Wasn't GJ Longs earlier was a loss. Your entry was my stop loss. Believe it or not, I think I was also in, was I don't know. When was I in GJ Longs? When was I in did I call out a GJ? I think I lost on a GJ trade during Asian session. I took longs somewhere up here. And then I woke up. And then I was like, oh, I'm going to take another long. If I'm not mistaken, that's what happened. Did I send it? I don't even know. But honestly, Pizza King up here, I was very bullish as well. And because I was very bullish up here and then price reach it down here, that's what made me very bullish as well also, where I was just like, this is just a better opportunity. I still feel bullish. But this is a perfect example of how, man, you could be bullish and somebody else could be bearish. One of you could be right and the other one could be wrong. Kind of like real right, you know, funny the logic we're doing here. And for example, he's in sells, I'm in buys. My take profit got successfully hit. His take profit's on the fucking way, deep in profit, probably already hit, who knows. But it really just so at the end of the day, a lot of people overthink the bias as well. They're like, oh, but is it actually bullish or is it actually bearish? At the end of the day, if you have a valid setup, right, a valid higher time frame setup, right? I'm not talking about a 5-minute valid setup. I'm like, oh, it's a ripple fib or no, 5-minute, no. Hourly, 30-minute, 2-hour, 4-hour. If you have a valid setup, honestly, just go with the valid setup because at the end of the day, what you're looking at is a valid, you know, imagine I see that this is a, you know, imagine that when I took this trade, I was like, oh, this trade had a 60 to 70% chance of hitting. All right. That's all you need. You saw the setup. You saw the market structure, and you know that there's a chance that the market structure, forget the higher time frame, and exactly what happened. You know, it played out. I was expecting the higher time frames to play out even more. Nonetheless, no, it didn't. The smaller time frame trade played out. The small setup played out. Those who are taking sells, if you have a good stop loss, that one's also playing out. So it's like you just need to make sure that you guys are placing correct stop. If like those who know how to place correct stop losses and identify valid trades will be profitable using risk management and correct psychology skill. God bless man. God bless Dominican Republic. I've been obliterated by gold 3 times today. Session. 3 reversals the whole session. That reversal that we just saw right there is crazy. Honestly, it's been bouncing around. I don't blame like the market. The only thing I blame you for is losing 3 times, right? Just max. But at the end of the day, the fucking gold is bouncing around like a maniac right now. So it's like, as a trader, you have to expect shit like that to happen where you're just not being able to catch the market correctly. EU sell? EU sell. So Anas saw this beautiful wick get formed right now. Huge melt out. Then we recovered. Now he says if this hourly candlestick closes the way we're looking with this huge wick to the downside, should we fill it up? And indeed, it looks like we should. Right? We also got a little bit of a ripple fib forming here, right? On us, we have a strong level of support. Strong level of support. That strong level of support is being followed up by descending levels of resistance. Descending level of resistance, same support. Descending level of resistance, same support. Descending level of resistance, same support. If we were to go to the small time frames, we probably see it even more. You get me? Ripple fib in the making. Now, could it be a down channel, side channel, up channel? It's a valid setup. Let this 15-minute candlestick close, and then I'll tell you what I think personally is going to happen to EU. 15-minute candlestick has 2 minutes left in it. What is GJ doing? Motherfucker. Bro, the next time you guys see me about to close a trade at break even, just fucking leave the stream. Just fucking leave the stream and be like, yo, Peso, you are a lying son of a bitch. You are a pussy motherfucker. A freaking ditty gobbler. All the fucking words that you could think of people that fucking close out early on trades like pussies. Yeah, you never do that. Why now? Well, the reason I did it now is because you want to see why? Because we flew 40 pips and then just... Why? Because of fucking yesterday's trade. Because yesterday's trade, I was 20 pips in profit, then break even, then 20 pips in profit, then break even, and then I got obliterated. And this thing like jumped my stop loss, actually. So I lost more than I was supposed to. And so, I ain't with the bullshit. I don't want to be with the bullshit today. And it's because of the same reason freaking, who was that? Or Just Max said. Just Max was like, oh, yo, fucking 3 reversals in the whole session with gold just bouncing around. It's the same thing with GJ. I mean, this thing's just... I mean, Jesus Christ. That is incredible. What a way to piss me off, though. Oh, poor Slickus. He doesn't really care. He doesn't really care. Regardless, we're not eligible for a payout right now. So anything that we are doing is pretty irrelevant. We will be eligible for a payout sometime this week. I just need to probably like win 2 more trades. What a winning trade is 0.25%. So, and then from there, just make the profit. Bro, what a crazy move. All right, so does that mean GU went bullish? GU had a strong bullish push. Are we going to be bullish on GU right now, though? I have no idea. GU is the one that's not convincing me. GU and EU both look bearish to me. Not bearish, obviously. They look like they're about to have a retracement. Or not a retracement. They look like they're about to melt. What prop firm is slick with? Funny pips. Now it's coming down. Choppy session, chat. Choppy session. Right, Just Max? What happened with FTMO account? Still untouched. Still, actually, like it has the trading days in. I haven't traded it. Yeah, like I've thrown 0.1 lots. I'm waiting for the payout to come, right? When the payout comes, then I'm gonna try to like withdraw $1,000 or $2,000 and see if they fucking pay me. Cause I'm not gonna try to fucking sweat my ass off on that account and then not get paid for a fucking, what is it, third time? Oh wow, GU's going up. Honestly, I feel like that's the confirmation right there that we needed for GJ. I feel like GJ should keep on going bullish now. I could be completely wrong at this point. It's still a very, very... All right, PPRFU not probably, dude. I'll be honest. I'm a little scared to take another trade just because of the uncertainty that's in the market right now. Like that's not even the word. The market looks like it could go up. The market looks like it could go down. I'm pretty sure everybody watching is experiencing the same thing. It's just a little confusing right now. What? Look at GU. And why is GJ going down? Like, what the fuck is happening? The fuck? EU is pumping. New 15-minute candlestick did the wick fill. I mean, I don't know what to tell you guys at this point. The fuck? Man, I'll be hella surprised if GJ goes bullish. I think GJ is a good sell right now. I do. And I'm saying that, and this thing's gonna probably turn around. All right, I'm gonna erase everything from the chart right now. See if I actually dare to take myself, put myself in a sell. 4 hour. All right, fuck all the other time frames. We already know how they look. A sell position would probably look like something with a... Honestly, if we come up back to this resistance, we're bullish. So anything past this area, that's as big as the stop loss I fucking need. Because if we come up to this area, I already know where the fuck we're going. And then stop loss, I mean, take profit would obviously be the bottom of the wicks. So it's zapping on me bullishly. If we were to take this trade, it would impulsively be like this. This is the size of it. Should we do it? Imagine we were to do it. Like, boom! Like, imagine, boom, we're in this trade. Boom! Boom! We're the Costco guys. Bro, who the fuck made those people famous? Like, who the fuck thought that those guys should be famous? Now we got people waddling around fucking Costco recording, doing some weird ass shit. We get the boom. Damn, can't believe GU really took off like that. All right, when it comes down to looking at gold, I think we could take a gold trade. I'll take a final decision on gold. I like gold sells. Actually, I don't. Nah, I'm not gonna take a gold sell. I really want to take another trade with you guys. Especially now that I got majority of the people that watch here. What are you guys feeling, chat? What trades do you think that like, what are you guys looking at? Bury your options on NASDAQ spot. All right, well, we have 5 minutes left basically for an hourly candlestick closure across the board. I mean, looking at this trade, it looks like it's supposed to be a very valid sell, but at the end of the day, yes, these wicks look like they need to be filled. But like with all this bullish momentum that we just have been facing, I mean, I could see this easily just doing some weird ass thing and then just rocketing, man. I could see it rocketing. Even though this thing's forming a big ass head and shoulders. Shoulder, shoulder, head, shoulder, shoulder. Bro, how come nobody has said shit about like what the fuck you guys got going on with your guys' lives that you guys don't even know that fucking Aston Villa is gonna get their ass whooped today? What the fuck you guys got going on today that you guys don't even know that Real Madrid is not gonna be able to even fucking score another goal against Arsenal? What the fuck do you guys gotta know that Dortmund should have never been in the goddamn quarterfinals? What the fuck do you guys should have known about Bayern Munich sucking ass every time they have to play an actual good team? The only teams Bayern Munich could fucking beat are the people that fucking suck dick, that don't even got full squads, that they got managers that goddamn suck toes for a living. That's all I'm saying, chat. Y'all thought that Dembele was over. Y'all thought. 4-hour rocket. I mean, look at this on GU. GU's hilarious, bro. we have been, I mean, I don't even want to count how many fucking bullish candlesticks in a row we've had on the 4-hour candlestick chart. And I feel like GJ should follow that. I mean, GJ looks exactly the same that it looked during Asian session yesterday. It looks exactly the same as why it took the long. It's just done nothing. We've been like this for 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 hours. 20 hours. Trying to decide whether we're going to go bullish or short. All right, I'm going to ask the chat one more time. One's in the chat if you guys like buys on GJ. I want to see some full participation. One's in the chat if you guys like buys on GJ. Two's in the chat if you guys like sells. If you guys like sells, type 2 in the chat. If you guys like buys, type 1 in the chat. Help me make a decision right now. It'll be the last trade of the day, obviously. Your Morristown, Jersey, go crazy. You Morristown, Jersey, go crazy. Didn't I tell you that I've been in Morristown, New Jersey? I have family there. No, I have a friend in Madison. No, it's Morristown. I actually have no idea. You like sell pizza? Well, buy is fucking... Oh, still one. I don't know, man. Choppy ass market. Pizza King is not wrong. I feel like ones are still valid. Damn, but look at GU, bro. Fucking A. I mean, regardless, looking at the 4-hour candlestick chart on GU, you could just tell that, I mean, GU just decides to go when it wants. As in, like, you could get hours and hours of GU doing nothing, and then eventually it just starts fucking picking up the pace. This looks long. US30? I like US30 longs. Swing longs, though. Alright, chat, I'm going to start calling it here. Not really much for me to trade. Those who caught the Discord trade, congratulations. Those who caught the live stream trade as well. Boys, I'm going to spam the Discord link so you guys could join. I'm going to look at how I unban people from Discord to get real right back in it. If you guys have not followed me on Instagram, make sure you guys go follow me on Instagram. All right, boys. Love you, boys. Thank you, guys. Thank you all. Pizza King, Anas, Anton, Solo the Don, Just Max, Real Right. I already said Anas, Lio. Thank you guys all for joining. Boys, much love to y'all. Hasta la vista.